everyone, my name is Nick. Today I will read a book about blizzards. Blizzards, written by Susan Lennox. Focus question: what is blizzard and how does it affect people? The Great White Hurricane. On March Sunday in 1888, rain fell across the northeast coast of the United States. Temperature dropped quickly as night fell. The rain turned to ice, then to snow. By Monday morning, howling winds whipped the falling snow into huge drifts. The Great White Hurricane lasted 3 days and buried the cities of Boston and New York. When the storm was over, more than 400 people had died. The blizzard of 1888 has caused millions of dollars in damage. Ships at sea were sunk. Trains were frozen to their tracks, and roads were clogged with snow several stories high. It would be well into the summer before the last of the snow would melt. Extreme storms. Since the blizzard of 1888, there have been many big snowstorms in the United States. Only some, however, were blizzards. It takes 3 things to make a blizzard: strong wind, blinding snow, and freezing cold. In a blizzard, which winds blow steadily at more than 35 miles per hour. Wind gusts may even reach a hurricane force of 75 miles per hour or more. The strong gales carry falling snow and pick up snow already on the ground. The air becomes a spinny cloud of white, making it difficult to see. This is known as a whiteout. In a whiteout, no one can see anything more than a quarter of a mile away. Safe travel is nearly impossible. The biting winds also make chilly air feel even colder than it really is. Blowing gales create something called wind chill. Wind chill causes the body to lose heat faster. It feels like it is in air that is much colder. Wind chill can cause bare skin to freeze, leading to a painful condition known as frostbite. Birth of a blizzard. Blizzards start as snowstorms. Most warm air meets cold air, forming clouds. The moisture in the clouds freeze into flakes. If the air near the ground is cool enough, the flakes fall as snow. Storm systems have lower air pressure than the clear skies around them, which difference in air pressure causes air to move and create wind. The greater the pressure difference, the stronger the wind. Blizzards usually form on the side of a snowstorm where the pressure difference is greatest. Blizzard country. Blizzards can happen anywhere there is snow, but some places are most likely have them than others. The east coast of the United States is one such place. In winter, cold air sometimes sweeps down from Canada. The cold northeastern air meets warm, most air flowing up from the south. This forms a storm called nor'easter. A nor'easter can last for several days and makes a lot of snow. Sometimes a fast-moving snowstorm begins in Canada's western mountains. Then it then travels east across the American plains toward the coast. This type of storm is called Alberta Clipper. Clippers don't bring a lot of snow. They are known instead for their strong winds and bitter cold. Many North America's blizzards start out as nor'easter or Alberta Clippers. Blizzards don't just happen in North America though. Parts of Asia may have powerful blizzards that last for days. Northeast Russia experiences bitter cold and strong winds in winter. In December 2014, it had its worst blizzard in years. Icy cold winds spread more than a foot of snow across the land. Being prepared and staying safe. The mix of wind, snow, and cold make a blizzard very dangerous. The wind, chill, and low temperature can make flesh freeze. Swirling snow makes it hard to see and can lead to accidents. Blowing snow makes it hard for road crews to clear highways. Wind gusts may also knock down trees and powerful lines. People can find themselves in dark, struggling to stay warm. Unlike years ago, it is now easier to predict when and where blizzard will strike. Today, people have time to prepare. They can make sure they have batteries and flashlights in case of a power loss. Families can stock up on food and water. They can also figure out other ways to keep warm, such as using fireplaces or wood stoves. Once they are prepared, people should settle in and wait out the storm. Those who must go out should make sure they are dressed warmly. Even then, people should not stay out for very long. The best place to be in a blizzard is inside. When the storms end, people can in safety head outside to enjoy the snow it's left behind. That's all. Thank you for listening.